In this video, I'll show you how to disable proxy or VPN settings in Google Chrome with the updated layout. But before we start, if you actually want to use a fast, secure, and reliable VPN instead of random browser proxies, I recommend NordVPN. It works smoothly with Chrome, protects your online privacy, and gives you high-speed browsing with thousands of global servers. You can find the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Now let's get into the tutorial. Start by opening Google Chrome. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and go to Settings. On the left side, click System. Now select Open your computer's proxy settings. This will open your operating system's network settings window. Here, you'll see your proxy configuration. First, turn off any automatic proxy setup options. Next, if manual proxy settings are enabled, switch them off as well and remove any server addresses or ports that may be filled in. Once everything is disabled, your computer will no longer use a proxy for Chrome. Next, go back to Chrome. Some VPN or proxy extensions might still be active. In the address bar, type Chrome, extensions, and press Enter. Look through the list and disable any proxy or VPN extensions by toggling them off. If you don't need them anymore, you can also remove them completely. Once you've done that, refresh any open pages, and Chrome should now be using your normal internet connection with no proxy or VPN active. If you still want the benefits of privacy, security, and consistent browsing performance, use NordVPN instead of random Chrome extensions. It's fast, secure, and works reliably across all devices. The link to get NordVPN at a great discount is in the description.